Here's the issue. There are marketing people out there who, instead of sending out cold emails, they're sending out cold calendar invites. They're inviting their targets, their leads, to Zoom meetings, to Eventbrite events. They're inviting them to webinar jams. They're inviting them to webinars. And by doing so, it's putting a calendar invite in their calendar. And it's frustrating. There's an answer, but the answer appears to only work well if you're using business Gmail. This is free Gmail, burrisconsulting@gmail.com. I have the feature. It's right here under settings, under event settings, right here, add invitations to my calendar from everyone all the time. Drop it on my calendar. Only if the sender is known, which means the person is either in your contacts and or you have engaged with them via email before. And the third option is when I respond to the invitation. Only when I respond to the invitation. Those are the options. Now, once you set that, what's supposed to happen is when you send an email to someone, when you send a calendar invite, let me send one to a business consulting. This is BCI GWS, which is free Gmail, to BCI, which is business consulting. I'm going to invite TL Burris at Burris Consulting. There it is there. I'm going to invite him. I'm going to add a video conference just so I make sure it shows up, because I was having some problems on testing so much. I'm going to hit send. That's the one I'm sending. If I go to the business side and I hit refresh on my email, let's see if it shows up. There it is there. That's the invitation. Now, I haven't even opened it yet, but look over here on my calendar. Hit refresh on my calendar. That event's over here on Friday. It's not here until I open this email and I say yes. Now I'll look at my calendar, refresh. There it is. Now let's send one further in the evening at 8 p.m. I'm going to send this to the Gmail one. This is BCI, which is business, to BCI GWS, which is free. I'm going to invite Burris Consulting at gmail.com. I'm going to add the video conferencing. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to send it. So there it is right there going out. This is the one I received from Gmail to business. This is from business to Gmail. Go to the calendar. Look, it's already on my calendar. I haven't even looked at the email yet. It's on my calendar. This is the one from Google Workspace to free Gmail. In my calendar, there's where the business accepted it. Let's ignore that. This is where the business sent the invitation. Here's the snafu. It appears that that setting that I referred to under event, add invites to my calendar, it appears that this is only affecting or working on the Google Workspace or business calendars. It is not working on the free Gmail calendars. But that's where the answer lies. Hopefully I can figure out why it's not working for Gmail. And when I figure that out, I'll add some notes to the video. Hey, I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail dude, and I hope this is useful for you.